Hey everyone, this is Ben from Cut Law. Today I'm going to talk about particulars in pleadings. Order 18, Rule 12 of the Rules of Court provide that every pleading must contain the necessary particulars of any claim, defense, or any other matter pleaded. What is the purpose of particulars? It is to inform the other party of the matters to be dealt with at trial. It is to control the scope of the pleadings, the statement of claim, the defense, the reply, and narrow the issues of fact to be tried. It is to avoid surprise at trial. It allows the other party to prepare to know your case. Order 18, Rule 12 also states that specific things have to be pleaded, including particulars of any misrepresentation. So if you allege that somebody made misrepresentation to you, you have to provide particulars of it. Fraud, willful default, breach of trust, undue influence. Therefore, it's not sufficient to make allegations that, the defendant committed fraud. You have to state the actual facts or circumstances which, taken together, imply or strongly suggest that fraud took place. You cannot just say that somebody committed breach of trust. You cannot say the defendant on this day committed breach of trust. You have to provide particulars. And then you have to provide, if you are suing someone for debt, you have to provide particulars of the debt. This is what particulars of debt looks like. And when you are suing someone and you're alleging that the defendant caused you loss and damage, you have to provide particulars of damage. This is what particulars of damage looks like. As you can see, you cannot just say that the plaintiff suffered damage or that the defendant owes money. You have to state the particulars of the debt, the amounts owing. How did the amounts arise? Because of invoice number, what dated what, and the amount of in the invoice. And you must state the particulars of the damage suffered. What kind of damages did the plaintiff suffer? Let me show you a statement of claim which was very badly drafted without particulars. As you can see, in this paragraph of the statement of claim, the allegation was that the profits were not as high as claimed. That's all. The allegation is the profits were not as high as claimed. They have to provide particulars. For example, how much did the defendant claim that the business was making? When was the claim made? Was the claim made orally or in writing? If the claim of the profits was in writing, where was the document made? Was it an email, WhatsApp message, text message, or orally? Let me show you another example of a bad pleading. In this pleading, it says that the plaintiff discovered certain breach of warranties. The plaintiff also alleged that the defendant misappropriated money, that means stole money. Now, it's not good enough to just say that the plaintiff discovered certain breach of warranties. You have to provide particulars. What warranties in the agreement were breached? Warranty that all the accounts were prepared in accordance with the accounting standards, or warranties that all employees' salaries were paid. You have to specify which warranty. 8A, warranty 10B, or warranty 14F. Have to provide particulars. And you also have to, in respect of the allegation of misappropriation of money, You cannot, it's not good enough to say that the defendant stole money. You have to provide particulars of the theft, like specify the name of the student that was defrauded, the amount defrauded. It is very important when drafting pleadings, statement of claim, defense and the reply to include particulars, because if you do not include particulars, then the other party can do this thing called can request for further and better particulars. And if you do not provide further and better particulars, they can take out a court application called summons for further and better particulars, and the court will force them to provide particulars. So thanks for watching this video on particulars. Please click like and subscribe.